Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aquarius, Air sign. This is July bi-weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Aquarius, guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to feel it. Under the deck, King of Wands, Nine of Pentacles, the Moon, Seven of Cups. I think right now you are in some confusion. Maybe you have options. Aquarius. Lot of confusion what I'm getting here. For some you have trust issues with your person. And in near future you will focus on your career and you will be in this energy or you want to be in this energy. Financially and emotionally independent. Yes, you will be in this energy and you will take your power back very soon. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Knight of Swords, Two of Swords and Ten of Cups. Someone was communicated with you in recent past. If not, they are going to be. I think this person is always in and out of your life. This is on and off connection. That's why you are at some crossroads in past. You have to make some decision regarding your relationship, but you can't because there is no clarity. You want this happiness, you want this stability, Ten of Cups, but it was not happen and it is not happening. Then present the Hangman, Page of Cups and Six of Pentacles. So you're feeling stuck. Especially there is no equal give and take. They're treating you as an option. But someone is coming with an apology. For some offer is coming, but it is not a big offer, it is very, very small offer. Then future King of Cups, Three of Cups and Nine of Wands. Lots of you are involved in third party situation. Maybe family could be the here, maybe family could be the issue here, or friends, or other men or women. But you still have strong emotions towards this person, King of Cups. Yeah, even though you are guarded up, you still have strong emotions towards this person, Aquarius. Right now, maybe near future, you want to guard it up. Yes, you want to protect your emotions. But someone is coming with an apology or some offer. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, lot of water energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity. Under the deck, Leo, Strength, Four of Cups, Seven of Cups. I think your person maybe have options. That's why they're juggling. And High Priestess is here. So they started listening to their intuition and trusting their intuition. Here they're missing you. For some, they're dreaming about you, they're missing you. Maybe they're scared to facing you because in past maybe they did hurt you. That's why right now they're working on themselves to come forward. And the person involved in this connection could be Leo. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Aquarius. So now they have regrets. They are feeling guilty for what they did to you. It's a soulmate connection. It's a mutual love. Now your person really want to work on this relationship, but in past they did hurt you. They played games with you, or they manipulated with you, but now they're feeling guilty what they did to you. Now they're thinking about to work on this relationship, and they want partnership with you. In past, definitely they treated you as an option, or they suddenly ghosted you. But right now are in Nine of Swords energy. They are missing you so much. They're losing their nights over you. So now they want family with you. So let's see their intentions. Queen of Pentacles, Nine of Cups, Eight of Swords. Yeah, they are stuck on you, Aquarius. They have regrets, or they stuck on you. Definitely they're wishing for this connection. They want to share their life with you. Yeah, they're very, very passionate about you. They're very, very attracted to you. Knight of Wands. Yeah, they are suffering in silence. Right now, they are missing you very, very badly. They're stuck on you. They're feeling guilty for what they did to you. That's why they're coming back with an apology. Yeah, still in action wise, I'm not seeing any solid action, but they're wishing for this connection, but they're suffering in silence. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on in the outcome. Yeah, a lot of passion. They're very, very attracted to you, but they're not expressing their true feelings. That's why because they're feeling stuck. Maybe they have issues with their family, but they have romantic feelings for you. They want to offer, and they want second chances, even though they are not expressing, but they want second chances with you. They're feeling stuck. I think you are also missing them, Aquarius. But you are on your power. You want commitment, you want marriage. Other than less than that, you don't want anything. You want commitment, you want marriage. Yes, you started listening to your intuition, trusting your intuition. And this, for some, there is some communication clarity is coming. So let's see mutual energies. Patience is the key, and there is no balance in this connection right now. Maybe you both are patiently waiting for right time. You both are in some confusion, but for some, definitely there is stability is coming under the deck. 10 of Pentacles. Yes, stability is coming, but patience is the key here. And the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Aquarius. Long distance relationship. Lots of you maybe right now are in long distance relationship. I want you back. And age difference, and I want to be honest with you. So the messages are long distance relationship, I want you back, age difference, I want to be honest with you. So these are the messages from your person end. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Aquarius. Don't let your past hold you back, South Node. So if you're having any past, so this is the message. Leave your baggage and heal yourself completely. And another message, a new romantic cycle begins. New moon in Libra, Libra energy. So for some, definitely new beginnings, especially when new moon in Libra. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.